Are you looking for a home with space for the entire family and it's also got lake access? Well, today you're in luck. This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro Team. Today we're at 758 Foxhead Shores Drive in Linn Creek. Let's go check it out. This home is the perfect fit for a family. It's got vaulted ceilings, stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors, 2 living areas, and right outside the front yard, we've got access to the community pool and boat slip. Thanks for watching the tour of this beautiful home. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or visit our website at jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.